doing, guys?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Where are we at?
On a road.
Oh my god.
Worse than Jimmy. Okay, I'll take over. We're at Bass River Resort.
Oh look, they have pizza delivery now.
Oh, crap.
That's new.
That's cool. Steelville, Missouri here. We just checked in at the office store place thing. Bought ourselves some sunglass floaties. And we're headed to the Cedar Creek cabin, Cedar Creek Lodge, which they said is like a mile plus down the road. We're driving through the beach area now, where we're going to be getting on our float tomorrow. Or we might come and do some swimming here in a little bit in the old swimming hole. Sean appears lost. I don't think we're going the right way.
This way.
Okay.
Right here?
We're following our friend Sean.
No,
he doesn't know where he's going. It's gotta be that way, right? That's the, he's gonna drive into the river.
Oh gosh.
They didn't really give us great directions. Sean thought that this was a road, but as you can see, that's water. Okay, now we're going this way. I think that's completely wrong.
Yeah.
Yep, that's not a road either. How about I take over? I saw a road over this way.
Everybody's following. Oh, Lyndall's in his car too. So here's where we'll probably get in tomorrow, right? Or we get out. This is where we end, I believe.
No, we. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we
this
start.
Is where we end.
We get picked up by a bus there, and then we float back to here. So the bus will take us upstream, and then we'll float back to this area. Let's follow this guy. Looks like he knows what he's doing.
Oh gosh.
Is that?
Sean's behind us.
Oh, here we go. Here. Across.
I guess.
Look at those big chairs. Oh, look
Whoa.
at that.
It's a Kansas City Chiefs chair, Landon. The big thing. Okay.
You're literally cold.
Here, what's this yellow sign say?
Always look at the sign. Just like at the Valentine. Always look at the sign.
Maybe let him go.
Hickory and Cedar Lodge is 0.6 miles.
0.6 miles.
Woo! Thanks, sign. Okay, we're at Bass River Resort, Steelville, Missouri. We just got to the Cedar Creek Lodge. It's right next to the Hickory Hollow Lodge. You ready to go check out this lodge, brah?
Yeah, I got a key. Thanks for getting us here, Nick.
Yeah, I do what I can. Sean doesn't have a clue. He's about to drive into a river. This is the guy we were following. He's about to drive into a river.
Down by the river.
Whatever, man.
Here, Ty, be the YouTube guy. Say hi.
Sean,
Hi.
the fireplace is a tiny square. It's like this, this, and this.
Perfect.
There's not a fire pit?
Nope, it's a little square.
All right.
Yes.
What? He said thank you for taking me here. Oh, you didn't get that on the videotape? No. Can you repeat that?
I'm just trying to do a walk around and you're being all polite and stuff. There's a basement?
Yeah. I'm still confused.
Full bedroom here. Big closet. Full bathroom between the two.
The loft is nice up there.
This place is legit. Identical mirrored bedroom here with a closet. Big kitchen. Full kitchen. TV, fireplace. There's Bibles in every room. Downstairs.
Probably makes more sense.
Running into me.
The basement. What up, dude? The
It
pool.
is clean. I love all the
You need to get a pool?
pool. Yeah.
Pool.
Oh.
Billiards.
So,
Wow.
okay, Shawnee and I are gonna take this one. In case the girls want to sleep in here with us. In
Okay.
case they don't feel comfortable out there with the boys.
This
that
is our
okay?
dungeon.
This is?
We're gonna sleep a long time. There's no.
Oh yeah, there's no
Windows.
windows. Okay.
Oh.
Hey, Nick.
Hey, what?
It's a walkout. So you can, walk by the fire and then just stumble on in.
I like it. Walk out.
Is this pull out? Yes, they're all pull outs.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, wow.
We don't even have to go upstairs.
With railing and everything? Yeah, this will do just fine. Look at this wraparound deck, too.
This is nice.
This is. All right, Ty's going to give us a tour of the loft. I didn't even know this was up here. Ty said there's a basement and there's a loft.
There's a good hiding space.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at this. Holy smokes.
There's 2 beds and a clock and a lamp.
2 beds, a clock, and a lamp. And
Yeah.
a little dresser thingy.
And a fan.
And a fan. And a window. It's about 9:30 at night. We're in this cabin lodge. I'm going to show you what we do on a Midwest float trip.
Needs more ice. Needs more ice. Needs more ice.
Hi, Carrie.
Hi.
What are you making?
Margaritas.
Sort of margaritas?
Yes.
Lots of tequila, lots of lime.
Yes.
Not much else, right?
Right.
Friday morning, we just had breakfast. Ty's playing on his phone. Getting ready to float. Here we go, we're on the bus. Right, going upstream on some river.
Are we on the river?
Do we even know what river we're going on? Courtois? Courtois?
Yeah, it looks like a French word, but it's
Yeah.
but the locals pronounce it
Courtois? No, not Courtois. I think it's yeah, it's a cunning linguist. Yeah. I think it's Courtois.
Waterproof.
We're getting our stuff off the back of the bus. We're gonna get our wraps.
If you have a canoe or a kayak, you're all the way tight into the beach, you're already set out, geared up, ready to go after you get your stuff in the trap.
Wraps.
You guys are ready?
Like the blue things? Yeah.
Alright, 2 days your kayaks are up there already ready.
Thud. A little chilly. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, it's a little cool. Rubber duckies? Nice.
Yeah, I know. 'Cause they're kind of.
I would like to see that. Alright, Dad, you ready?
Said yeah, he tried it the other day. Oh, he did? Yeah. You like it?
Best $5 I ever spent.
Oh,
Here, get. Get it?
yeah.
Get it? Don't leave home without it.
Caitlin, what do you think of your first Missouri float trip?
It's fun. Off to a good start.
Off to a good start.
I haven't tipped over.
Haven't? Well, you can't tip these things.
Don't say that.
You can't tip these things?
I feel like if you
Try.
try hard enough.
If you two got on one side of this and tried to tip it, you wouldn't be able to.
Did you want to try?
Sure.
We hit something. Let's not.
You can't. You can pop it maybe. You can't tip it.
Sean, do a flip.
Checking your beer? Go now.
Oh, this dude's gone. Erica, how do you feel about your daughter and her friend jumping off a 20+ foot cliff here?
I feel like a really
I'd
bad
say
parent.
25, 30 foot, really.
Yeah,
That's pretty high.
I'm probably a bad parent.
No, that's gonna be great.
But you know, when I was her age, I did that shit.
Well, yeah, I did something like this. I hated it, but I had to do it once.
All right, is that just on video? Oh God.
Oh,
Ow!
that sounds painful.
Let's go. 2, 3. Yes.
Woo! She did it!
Well, she kept her shoes too.
You got your shoes on?
Put your shoes on.
So Alex, kind of tuck your legs a little bit, okay?
Ready? All 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh man.
Over here.
You okay?
There you go.
How was it?
Good.
Yeah?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again?
Okay, again? Yeah. All right.
Hi, little puppy.
Live one more time, okay? Please be careful. Okay, just like you did the last one.
No, I think I got it. Thank you. Oh, you got it. Pull.
Now we've got Sean, David, Billy, Alex, and Liv all going to jump.
Straight this way.
Oh God, oh God.
And a boy, Billy.
That didn't sound too painful.
It was beautiful.
Some of them, they hit the water and it's like, that sounds
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm really scared. Very,
Come on, jump.
Well,
that's kind of scary. Do you touch the bottom at all? Liv, did you touch the bottom at all? No.
Yeah. Well, it's the cliff like that. Oh, off the step.
Do a toe touch.
1, 2, 3, go!
Alright, Dave. Yay. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking.
You got it, David.
You won.
woo! The captain. Salute.
All right, Kevin. Oh, there we go. All right.
Did that hurt your back?
Captain, how was that?
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
I should have landed it a little better, but
You should have done what? Landed a little better. Yeah. It was a rather loud landing.
Hi.
Okay, well.
It went up my nose. How did that happen?
All right. Well.
I mean,
Good.
It definitely wakes you up.
That's nice.
it's good. It feels
nice.
good. It feels good.
This is how you float.
But I don't know how that thing deflected. You're in better shape than me. I don't want to get into competition about this.
She'd kick your ass.
Yeah. Like, I'm already tired.
Oh, now who's
now the spin move. It's the spin move.
We wanted to do spin.
Spin move. Just let
Did
this.
you not know we were spinning?
Okay.
Well, I thought the boat was going to go forward that way, but...
Yeah.
Guys, I don't think we're at the end.
We are at the end.
Are we?
Hey, you want to hear a funny joke?
Are you telling the baseball one?
We went to a Cardinals-Cubs game, like, what, a month ago?
Yeah.
Morel.
St. Louis.
You know Morel for the Cubs? Whatever his
Morel?
name is?
No.
Like a mushroom?
The Cardinals.
Yeah.
Marmol?
No.
Were they for the... No, we didn't go to a Cubs Cardinal game.
Yes, we
The
did.
coach? Are you
Oh
talking
shit,
about?
we did.
We did.
Talking about the manager of the Cardinals?
No,
Okay.
not Marmol.
A player.
There's a
Morel.
infielder
Like a mushroom.
Yes.
His last name is Morel. And I told Caitlin, I go, you know his great-grandfather was the one who discovered the Morel mushroom. She was like,
You. I'm that way too. You